Hey, this is Josh and I'm filling in for Jake today. So, because I already made a video of today's theme and challenge, this week's theme and challenge, I thought I might show you guys what a blizzard looks like. For those of you who have never experienced or seen a blizzard, I'm going to film one for you because it's happening outside right now and it looks pretty intense. I actually don't think people will be able to drive tomorrow, and who knows, we might get several feet of snow. So I'll just take you upstairs outside really quick. I'll go to this spot where it's dry. It's hard for the snow to reach the balcony. As you can see, it is white, and you might not be able to see it too clearly, but there is a ton of snow blowing by. Like, it might just look like a couple specks from your view, but to me, I can see, like, intense winds and stuff blowing everywhere, and it's pretty crazy. I wonder how deep the snow is. I haven't tested yet. I'm going to stick my hand in there. Oh, jeez. Oh, that is cold. That is cold. I should not do that. I swear, like, I was gonna go see Coraline with my friend Michael tomorrow, but it looks like that's not gonna happen now. You'll not believe how cold it is out here. And some guy is outside right now. Oh, whoa, okay, windy. Oh my gosh, it is so warm inside compared to out there. Hello.
What you doing?
Filming.
Look right there.
Yes. What about it?
It's snowing.
I know it's snowing.
What are you filming for?
I'm filming for FiveTerrificTubers / preview.
What?
Well, I'm just gonna post this video on both channels.
What's the video about?
It's just about the blizzard outside.
Colorado's awesome.
It is awesome. Huh?
Huh.
What did you just do?
Strum the guitar?
I see. Caitlin, play us some junk.
What?
I don't know, play something.
I'm not going pressure.
It's not pressure, it's a camera. It's not... Caitlin, I bet like 20 people are gonna watch this max.
But you need confidence. Maybe that's my only gotta get confidence, you know?
Caitlin, I've performed in front of over 100 people. What, I did?
Church?
Yeah, at church.
Oh, yeah.
And at school, for the spring show. No, not the spring show, the coffee house.
I did too.
What? I didn't do anything.